GMAXT Water Leak Detector 100 decibels volume TUYA Smart App Wi-Fi Water Sensor Alarms Water Monitor Alarm with rechargeable remote monitor leak ideal for home security basement washer bath cellar. Powerful intelligence water sensor detect water leaks or preset limit violations. It uses Wi-Fi to connect with the app, TUYA Smart Life application, which can be remotely controlled, 100 decibels alarm sound, and protect your safety 24 hours. Note, the manual has detailed Wi-Fi connection steps. User-friendly application. When the water detector detects a leak, it will sound an alarm within 1 second and send an alarm signal to the smartphone within 2 to 10 seconds. Depending on the signal, it can be used for 1 year on a single charge, SMS or phone call notification. Value-added services. Efficient and convenient operation. Only simple steps to connect to home Wi-Fi, only for 2.4G Wi-Fi. When you are at work or on a business trip, travel, etc., you can receive alerts and track the activity of wireless sensors and app progress. Please refer to the instruction manual for Wi-Fi connection method. Versatile use. It can be used to monitor water leakage in related scenarios such as washing machine, room, kitchen, basement, aquarium. And it can also be used to monitor the preset limit of water level in bathtub, pool and other scenarios. Perfect after sales 30-day money-back guarantee, 30-day replacement warranty, and ready to respond within 24 hours. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.